Hartford, Connecticut. Pensacola, Florida, another porch pirate caught in the act. Redding, California. Same story, different night. Thieves stealing from cars left unlocked. Toledo, Ohio. Teens roaming around and taking whatever they can, all caught on Ring. Monroe, Louisiana. He checked once, failed, and still came back like the car was gonna unlock itself. Bakersfield, California. Delivered it just to steal it seconds later. That's next level stupid. Erie, Pennsylvania. A creepy man caught trying to get into a house that isn't even his.
Oh. Oh, bummer.
Odessa, Texas. Lock your cars, people. These thugs will take everything that's not nailed down. Cheyenne, Wyoming. Suspicious teens in ski masks wandering the neighborhood. Never a good sign. Augusta, Georgia. Stealing shoes from someone's front door? That's a new level of lazy crime. Little Rock, Arkansas. Checking the trash like it's a treasure chest. What's the plan here? Fargo, North Dakota. Homeowners forgot to lock the doors, and these guys made sure they paid for it. Modesto, California. Evansville, Indiana. Imagine stealing the camera while it's still recording you. Pueblo, Colorado. He didn't even hesitate, grabbed the package and took off. Athens, Georgia. A group of teens sneaks into a backyard just to use the trampoline. Bold and dumb.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
There's literally... Dude, why are you giving me this for? Bro, the camera literally said something.
Des Moines, Iowa. Yet another lowlife stealing for no reason. Ever heard of a job application? Fargo, North Dakota, seemed harmless at first, but the homeowner's side of the story is way darker. Bend, Oregon. It's crazy how many people still leave their cars unlocked out here. Bangor, Maine. Stealing a bike? That's just plain pathetic. Pueblo, Colorado. You can see him thinking about it and still deciding to steal it. Missoula, Montana. No idea why she is crying, but I hope she got help.
Please, please call my grandma. 911, please. Please call 911, please. Please.
Springfield, Missouri. These days, you can't even keep your bike safe in your own backyard. Appleton, Wisconsin. Lock your car doors, people. He got in way too easy. Reno, Nevada. Santa Fe, New Mexico. Of all things to steal, a lawnmower. Pathetic. Muncie, Indiana. One glance at the camera and he's already plotting how to make it disappear. Lynchburg, Virginia. Acting casual, but yeah, definitely stealing the mail. Casper, Wyoming. Suspicious guy caught ringing doorbells and opening doors around the neighborhood.
Is he here?
Eugene, Oregon. A creepy woman caught wandering the neighborhood at 6 a.m. Way too early for this kind of weird. Sarasota, Florida. Teens caught on camera just chilling inside someone's unlocked car like it's theirs. Boise, Idaho. Nothing says good morning like a shirtless stranger lurking on your porch. Tacoma, Washington. This guy walked up and stole a pride flag. Columbia, Missouri. Porch pirate season never ends. Huntsville, Alabama. Drive-by car door checking. In, out, and hopefully caught soon. Biloxi, Mississippi. A creepy man caught peeking inside at 3 a.m. Nothing good happens at that hour. Helena, Montana. A teen caught sprinting away from a car. Denton, Texas. Another person stealing property, this time a pride flag. Green Bay, Wisconsin. Must have had a rough night. Mobile, Alabama. Another clown out here stealing bikes like it's a full-time job. Gainesville, Florida. Another suspicious guy ringing doorbells for who knows what reason. Kennewick, Washington. Another loser caught stealing a bike. Real impressive, man. Amarillo, Texas. A stranger caught staring into the house. Creepy doesn't even begin to cover it. Duluth, Minnesota, masked up and snooping around a parked car, clearly up to no good. Tucson, Arizona. Scranton, Pennsylvania. Another porch pirate caught red-handed stealing mail. Pathetic. Flagstaff, Arizona. Newport, Rhode Island. Don't leave your deliveries out for long, or someone else will claim them. Casper, Wyoming. Stay alert. Creeps are roaming around checking cars at night. Valdosta, Georgia. Imagine risking it all for a giant inflatable. Unreal.